Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to see how to enable or disable a crosshair in Fivem in 2025. Step 1. Enabling or disabling the crosshair. To enable or disable the crosshair in Fivem, you can use the following command in your server.cfg file. Here is in the screen. This command controls whether the custom crosshair is visible during the gameplay. Step 2. Customizing the crosshair. The Fivem allows customization of the crosshair using console variables. Here are some examples of how you customize the crosshair. It will show in the screen. These settings adjust the style, the size, the color and transparency of your crosshair. Step 3. Using a script to toggle the crosshair visibility. For more control, you can use a script to toggle the crosshair visibility during a gameplay. One such script is Trojan_crosshair, which allows to toggle the crosshair visibility within a key press, like in the PS5. The script requires myStatic_notifier to work properly. Important notes: disabling the crosshair can affect gameplay, especially in combat situations. Always ensure that any modification comply with the server's rule and guidelines. Feel free to share your experience or ask questions in the comment below. Happy gaming!